Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Getting ready to check out of Terra Resort here at Epic. As you can see, that's Epic Universe right here. Today's vlog, we're gonna go down. We're gonna show you the last few things that we weren't able to show you on our arrival vlog. I almost said embarkation, but I'm not on a cruise right now. So yeah, check out the vlog where we came in and checked in. That's very in-depth, lots of information. But today also important to give you information and a review of the resort. Come on in, check it out. So here at Terra Resort, again, this is a value prime. So a little step up above a value, but there's only one elevator. And very long hallway, so if you get stuck all the way around on the end, you got to come all the way down. The elevator's centrally located right in the middle, so they reduced probably cost, right? So they only had to put in one elevator shaft, but if you get stuck down the end of the hall, you can kind of see how far down that hall is. One elevator right in the middle. So this is where the bank of elevators are. There are 6 of them, so I mean that is good. So I guess instead of putting a couple on each side, they just put all 6 right in the middle. But we're gonna head down. I would imagine on a busier day or a busy checkout day, this hotel did not have a lot of people in it, I can tell you that right now. But when it is and it's checkout time, that could get a little frustrating probably. Yeah. Let's head down the lobby. So guys, yesterday I did a full vlog. Actually, I went through the entire store. That's a separate vlog. That's already out on the channel. So if you're interested in all the merch here at the resort, Terra Resort. But I did want to pop in just quickly because I did just want to show you that they have, like, if you forgot a bathing suit, things like that. All the resorts at Universal, you can grab those things. And they do have merch from all of the different worlds or lands, they like to say, over at Epic. But this is what I want to just kind of focus on today. Like I said, all of this merch featured in a separate vlog. Check it out on the channel. But if you came in and you forgot maybe a shirt, kind of like a sun shirt, bathing suits, hats, kind of like things like this, lotions, you got medicines, all those kind of things, you can grab it and not have to leave the resort. But the difference, like I like to say, the difference when you stay on a Universal resort rather than a Disney resort is Universal is, you're right here in the middle of Orlando, so you can leave this area and there's all kinds of stores and there's Publix, there's all kinds of things right around it. When you're in Disney at those resorts, you're kind of, oh, and all the power just went out. And now all the power just came back on. Interesting. But when you're staying in a Disney resort, you pretty much have to Uber out of there to get anything that you would need that you can't find at the resort or on the property. And I don't know if it's supposed to do that because it keeps blinking. Maybe part of the theming. Again, the theming here is the undiscovered galaxy, space. I don't think it was supposed to do that because everything shut off. This shut off. Still looks like there's light shut off in here. So hey, on Medling World we keep it real. So definitely a little bit of power issue this morning. I think what we're gonna do this morning, guys, on checkout days, we're just gonna grab something quick to eat. We'll sit down and then we're gonna talk about our review of this resort, how much we liked it, and if we'd stay again, and who we think would benefit from staying at the Terra Resort. So over here, guys, you got the market and the calf. It's the Omega Market and Calf over here. Did go through all of this yesterday, talked about the theming, did lunch in here, showed you the menu. Jake actually just grabbed, what'd you get, Jake, for breakfast?
Double chocolate muffin.
Double chocolate. We just went over to the market. It's all like grab and go. Again, check out the video when we arrived here and checked in. We go through this thoroughly. But I did want to show you the breakfast menu today. And we just got a couple grab and goes. So let's see, breakfast. I'm just gonna kind of scan through there. Egg whites, biscuits and gravy, the Celestial Classic of breakfast. That actually looks pretty good. And some things on the griddle with your French toast, waffles, pancakes. They have sandwiches. Handheld sandwiches, it says. So breakfast pizza. And there's a croissant sandwich. Some toast there. Smash toast. And they have a kids menu as well. Kind of a mini one of those breakfasts looks like. And more. So they have a very good variety of breakfast. The Space Monkey. Sweet dough, chocolate, applewood, smoked bacon, caramel, confetti, cream cheese, sauce. Interesting. Bagels. And these lights, they just keep kind of... I don't know if they're having some kind of a power issue, but they keep coming on and off. I don't think they're supposed to be shutting off. So now they're back on. We keep it real on Medling World. We show you guys everything there is to know about all of our resort stays and everything we do. So please take a moment, subscribe. There's some of the side items there. But for today, Jake's getting that, and I think Roberta went got a beverage and a muffin for us. And now, as soon as she gets back, well, first, Jake, how is the double chocolate muffin?
It's alright.
It's just a so-so?
Yeah.
Alright. So what do we get? Now they do serve, it's not a Starbucks, but they do serve, we went through this yesterday.
Yeah.
So, I will say it again. They serve Starbucks coffee, but it is not a Starbucks. You cannot use Starbucks cards or gift cards or stars. Just the coffee. And what did we get here, Roberta?
Banana muffin.
Banana muffin.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, let's try that out. And then we're going to talk about... Let me start off. I think that I did enjoy this resort overall. I did. I really did. It's again, a prime value or value prime, whatever. A little step above value. But it was a really cool resort. I like the theming of the resort. And one thing for me is when I stay over in a park at a, you know, whether it's Disney or Universal Resort, I like to feel like I am like immersed in the park experience.
Yeah.
And I did have that here. Roberta, I have some more things to add, but what do you think?
I agree. I think was the... I have like everything combined was like I said, that feel like they're immersive. I like the fact that it reminds me a little bit of Aventura in terms of being always kind of like close by to you, but I did not have the airport feeling, I guess.
Because of the theming, probably.
So yeah, but I like the pool. I like the hot tub. I like the bar. I like the fact that if you're in a pool, you do have an option for the food outside.
Yes.
So I think
Please
all
check
that,
out that vlog, guys. You're gonna love the vlog.
you
when we
can
check
order
in.
when you're in your seat and then go pick it up.
Yep.
They do not bring it to your seat, but at least you can order.
You can order
with-
from
yeah,
your seat. They have a scan code.
Correct. So I think small things like that adds it up
Yes.
to your
Which gives-
convenience.
yeah.
Yeah. I think it was very good. Again, like with the Universal have the gym availability and also the rental car right in one place.
That's
the
right.
Same thing.
That's right.
Adds up to. And I like the fact like the newer stuff, like you can plug
Yeah, there's outlets.
the outlets
all on
on your
these little
seat.
round ones that we're sitting at. There's all outlets.
You know,
underneath.
and people that do like you know, to enjoy the bar, they also have a bar.
Oh, it's
I
great.
think
You
it's
could have a
lot of-
resort day here, pretty much.
Correct. I think it was a lot of like things that add up. Yeah, comparing to, for an example, a Cabana Bay, you have more things for family there.
Yeah.
But I think this one has a little bit of, you know, each. I don't think it's too simple, but I don't think it's like they have the bowling alley. with
Right.
Cabana Bay.
It's fine. I think it's great for families.
Correct.
And I think it's going to be great for people that want to stay at Epic Universe. It's right across the street here.
Yeah.
So I would say this: if you're going to stay over maybe by City Walk and Island of Adventure, this is comparable, but I would say it's a little step up of Endless Summer Resorts.
Yeah.
But this is probably a little step up. Jake, I want to hear your opinion about here.
It's alright. I mean, the resorts, I don't really think it's either too good, but it's not too bad either. I don't really think you can it gets pretty boring pretty quick because all there really is a pool and a hot tub.
Yeah.
Maybe the games room if you have like children, but there is a gym, I will admit. It has some amenities, but I don't really think it's overall too well.
Yeah, and that's true, and Jake gave a perfect example of a value.
Yeah.
And the Prime, I think, is a little bit of the added things where, like you mentioned, Roberta, you can order the food from your seat.
Yeah.
You go pick it up right actually over there. And the theming is really cool. But yeah, Jake really summed it up that it is a resort that is going to be very basic with a little bit of elevated, I think, the amenities, like you can sit outside there and it's nice. They had the movies at the pool.
Yeah.
Jake, I think he pretty much summed it right up. And like I said, I think you could do a resort day here, depending if you just wanted to relax and just go to the pool and have some lunch. But don't forget, you're in Orlando, right outside. You know, if you have a car, you drive less than a mile away, and you got all kinds of things to do. So what do you think? Is that about it? Oh, I tried the muffin. The muffin was good. It was good. And this did taste like a Starbucks.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it was some kind of. What was it, Roberta? Something with like
White chocolate, white mocha.
and it was good. Oh, and by the way, spoiler alert if you didn't watch our check-in, our lunch was awesome we had yesterday. Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
So guys, I think that'll wrap it up here from Terra Luna. Terra Luna. I apologize, I think I've called it the wrong name a couple times and I do apologize. Terra Luna. Guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!